Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your profile on Pinterest, easy and quick. First, once you here, you will see this share icon. Click on it. You can share it on any application of these, and that's how to share your profile on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.